Hi, my name is Michelle. I usually make work vlogs, but today I flew to LA for the weekend, and whenever I'm in LA, I need to eat good food. So I'll be showing you what I ate in LA and Orange County for the weekend. First stop is going to be LA Koreatown, Hanbat Salangtang. So let's go. The crowd here is, I guess you kind of know that it's good because basically it's like old Korean people mixed with young Korean people. You can tell that it's good because they only serve two things: salangtang, oxbone soup, and one other thing. So I'm excited. Rice, 깍두기, kimchi. They give you salt to season your broth and a lot of green onions. It doesn't even need salt, to be honest. It's good like this, like salt. You could add some green onions. I'm going to enjoy this. Taste so far is very delicious. So this is the check. You can tell that so many people come for this, so they laminate the guest check, which is so funny. Anyway, the food was really good, and I didn't actually finish all of it because there's a lot. I might ask my husband to finish more of it because he's pretty much done his. Kimchi and the soup and everything pairs perfectly together. Yum! So overall, I would say the food was phenomenal, really good, really rich, deep broth. We're gonna go to a cafe now called Memory Look Coffee in order to kind of digest a little bit, get a little pastry, and enjoy.
Drinking without the straw.
Okay, thank you. They have this beautiful patio area. Okay, so we ended up getting a creme brulee donut. This is what it looks like. We got a matcha Einspanner and a caramel latte on Einspanner. We also didn't ask for alternative milk, so we have Lactaid on there ready. Here you go. I guess we can wash it down with this, no? So Einspanner lattes have a really thick cream on top. It's a type of Viennese coffee. It's supposed to insulate the coffee, although this is iced. It makes for a very nice, creamy type of coffee. Delicious. Now we're gonna try this creme brulee donut. Wow, the crackles. Very nice. Yummy. Yum. I'm gonna try my husband's matcha Einspanner. The matcha is really good. Perfect balance of bitterness and sweetness. The one thing about this is it spills pretty easily, so I gotta be careful. I do really like the cream top on these Einspanners. It reminds me of cheese foam or like pumpkin cold brew cheese foam at Starbucks. I've always enjoyed those. So we're definitely going to need this caffeine for the rest of the day because we're going to have a long day. We're going to go to Laguna Beach. We're also going to go to a concert at night, so we have to have energy until 11 p.m. We are excited to go to a Vietnamese American artist. Her name is Thuy. So we're just going to chill here, eat some donuts, enjoy our coffees, head to the beach in a little bit after we chat and enjoy our time at this cafe. The one thing about LA is you always have the opportunity to eat outside at any point of the year. This type of cafe is so nice for that. We're going to enjoy our coffee now, so I'll chat with you in a bit. Hey, we are now at the Huntington Beach. We're here because we are going to a concert tonight. Like I mentioned before, on the way here, we had to go to the bathroom and we stopped by Coffee Bean. We got a little gingerbread snack, little gingerbread man to get to the Christmas spirit. Tastes like a gingerbread cookie. So anyway, here's a view of the beach. It's really cold out here, pretty windy in the beach area. We'll just be enjoying this cookie. And then I think we're gonna go eat dinner after this, after we spend some time walking around on the beach. So I'll talk to you in a bit. All right, we are now at Brodard, the Vietnamese restaurant in Orange County. First thing we got were grilled pork spring rolls. They're definitely famous for this, very well known for it. So my main entree here, I got lemongrass beef with vermicelli noodles, fish sauce. I ended up having to pack a lot of the food because I was very full. It was really good. I think my husband is going to eat the rest of it. After the concert, I'll probably be hungry. Time to go to the concert now. We came to the American Express Lounge, the international terminal at LAX. We're going to check out some of the food and anything else going on in here. So, yay. They have some mimosas that you can make, bagels, some pastries. They look like they're like all gone though. Fruit, salad, some of their breakfast items. I'm not very hungry right now, so probably not going to eat any of this stuff. It's nice to know that it's here. Probably just going to go get some drinks, some coffee. There's another bar over here. Just going to grab some coffee because I already ate breakfast before we came. Cappuccino. Decaf. No, I'm full. I probably should have come hungry to this lounge because there's a good amount of food. We had some good Asian food before we came here. So I'm gonna put in some more clips of what I ate in the beginning of my trip. In-N-Out, mainly. Always a good place to get food when you're in LA. This marks the end of my LA trip. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.